Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I'm Peterson. This channel will be taking you through Nairobi estates and its environs. Thereafter, we will be going outside Nairobi. So I'll be showing you areas that you can live, where you can invest. We'll be visiting people and see what they do, where they live. Yeah, and now I am in Thika Road from Nairobi CBD. Today it rains heavily. We are caught up in a traffic as we are heading to Kasarani. So be with me. I show you where we are. We are now in Modaiga. This is how Nairobi look like when it rains at night. So I know you are going to enjoy. So please, if you are there and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do click that notification bell. I'll appreciate your support so that whenever I upload any video, you are not going to miss it. And be with me. So we are heading home with my friend here, Jex. Jex, say hi.
Hello. Hello guys, my name is Director Jex. And we are with I am Peterson.
Yeah, so
Heading to Kasarani.
Heading to Kasarani. And the time now is allowed 8:10 p.m. So you can see how Matatu overlaps. If you are not in Kenya, sometimes you use motorbikes for ferrying people from one place to another, and it is very good because you cannot be caught up in the traffic. If you are in a hurry and there is traffic, you use motorbikes. So don't be shocked to see we have motorbikes here.